I'm going to share 7 websites that pays you to work from home. You can make extra money from anywhere you want. You do not need any degree, any certification, or any experience. All you need is computer, phone, and the internet connection. So let's get it started. TryMyUI.com. This company pays you to test the digital product of their customers. So basically companies like Amazon.com, Priceline, British Airways, they use the services of TryMyUI to test their websites and apps. A test can last somewhere around 10 to 20 minutes and you can make an average of $30 per hour. In order to get it started, you need to create an account with TryMyUI.com. So basically you can go to the sign up page and provide all the required information. Make sure that you use the same email address as your PayPal address. Once you sign up successfully, you have to answer a set of questions to complete the demographic profile. So this is nothing but just to determine their clients that what kind of test you can perform. After completing all this process, you will receive emails with test requirements. You can go ahead, pick the test and complete the requirement. The next is slicethepie.com. This company pays you for writing music reviews and other products. As per my research, there are plenty of good feedbacks about this website. All you need to do is listen to the music at least 90 seconds and write your honest feedback. So basically your likes and dislikes about the music. Do not need to be a music genius or a sound professional. You can make an average of $2 to $5 per hour. I know this is very low, but hey, if you like the music, then this is not a bad idea. You can listen to the music in your free time and make extra cash. This is perfect for the students or anyone who likes the music and want to earn extra cash. To get it started, you need to complete the registration. It's very straightforward. You can go to their website and provide all the required information and get it started. Next is snapwire.com. This website pays you to upload photos and videos as per the customer requirement. So you take the request from the customers and start taking the photos and recording the videos. Now you may be thinking that I'm not a photographer, but it doesn't matter actually. Because nowadays all the phones are very advanced. You can take professional photography without much effort. All you need is just a little practice and then you can get it started. They have Android and iOS mobile app, so you can upload photos from anywhere and anytime you want. You can make $100 per hour for completing a brief. So brief is nothing but a customer requirement. You can get started by creating an account. Go to the create account page and provide all the required information. Once you have created your account and portfolio successfully, you can log into the website and check all the requirements posted by the customers. If you see any brief which you like, hit the apply button, start working on that as per the requirement and as per the details provided in the brief. Usertesting.com is just like TryMyUI.com that pays you to test the digital product of their customers like Facebook, Wayfair, and Walmart. All these companies use their services to test and review their digital products. They have 2 types of tests, unmoderated and moderated. Moderated is basically where you have to be on call with their customers and provide all the feedbacks live. Whereas unmoderated is basically you do not need to be on call. You can complete the testing from anywhere you want. You might have to record the testing and send it to them. A test can last somewhere around 10 to 30 minutes as per the requirement. You can make $10 to $30 for each testing. Go to the sign up page, provide all required information and don't forget to use the same email address as your PayPal address. Answer a few simple questions to complete the practice test. All this process can take somewhere around 15 to 20 minutes. Once your profile is accepted, you can start testing right away. Rave.com. Rave is a company that provides transcription and captioning services to the companies like PBS and Comcast. So basically you have to listen to the audio recordings and type it to the text. You can make 30 cents to $2 per hour. So an average $20 to $60 to transcribe an hour of audio. Sign up process is pretty standard. Go to their website, provide all the required information, set up your PayPal account and get it started. Once you sign up, they will send an email with some guidelines to complete the grammar test and a sample transcription test. Once Rave accepts your application, you can go to the dashboards for available transcription job and start making some extra cash. Swagbucks. So this company pays you for completing simple multiple tasks like shopping online, online service, even for watching videos. So here you get paid in swap points. So basically 100 point equal to $1. You need at least $5 to withdraw the money. Sign up process is very simple. You can go to the sign up page, provide all the required information, set up your PayPal account and get it started. Once you sign up successfully, go to their website, pick the job that interests you and then start working on that. Cambly.com. If you like talking, this is a best site hustles for you. Cambly pays you to talk to the students from all over the world. You do not need any degree, any certification, or any experience. All you need to be a native English speaker. Cambly pays you an average $10 to $20 per hour. In order to get it started, head over to the sign up page to create an account by providing email address and password. You will have to fill up Cambly tutor profile form, which is nothing but an application with basic information. They have some guidelines regarding the profile pictures and providing all the information, so make sure you follow all the guidelines. So these are the 7 websites that you can use to make extra cash from anywhere you want. I have provided links for all the websites in the description below, so make sure to check it out. If you have used any of the website, please let me know how was your experience in the comment section below. I will appreciate your comments or any suggestions you may have for my next video. So thank you for watching.